I didn't even know about it. I saw like one thing about it ever, period. And then I didn't see anything else, but apparently former Blizzard president thinks Marvel Rivals is a ripoff of Overwatch and Black Widow is a copy of Widowmaker, or maybe he's joking. It's impossible to tell. Looks like Overwatch Marvel Rivals ships out tomorrow, much like Light of Motorum. Clear copy of HZD out of China. I mean, every character... I mean, even the character name, Widowmaker in Overwatch versus Black Widow in Marvel Rivals. Well, isn't Black Widow her name in, like, the Marvel Universe? Are the same? If anything, I would say that that was the other... That's, like, literally her name. Wait. Wait. But let's see it. Let's see the video. Let's see the video. Let's see the video. Let's see Paul Allen's card. Subtle bone white. Let's see Paul Allen's card. Sorry. I'm trying to find the trailer. Huge. Sorry. Let's see it.
Widow standing by. Target neutralized.
Oh. Bro, it's the same game.
The Widow's bite is lethal.
Why is she talking like a Pokemon? Widow hits lethal.
Until they don't get up. You can rest now, Bucky.
I like how my favorite thing about trailer videos or about like showcasing videos is the people they pick have such dog shit aim. Like these shots don't even look impressive. Like, like lining up the shot for fucking 20 years. Like I'm watching Iron and Bronze players. Oh my god.
No way to miss now. Plasma burst!
Oh my, these shots are so brutal to watch.
Widow style.
Sup, homies?
Give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second.
Widow style.
Plasma burst. Widow style.
Plasma burst!
Lost my husband style.
Widow style.
The worst part is I actually like the voice acting. I like the character design. It looks like it'd be fun. Oh my god, that's so funny, dude. I'm sorry. Let's see what characters they got in here. Dude, I'm gonna play this game.
We are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope and fear.
This is just Zaya and Rakan.
Score one for Tandy.
Lights out.
Oh, she's support.
Score one for Ty.
A boom of life. My time to shine.
Oh, you play as both of them? That's kind of cool. Wait. You get to play as both of them?
Suffer in the darkness.
Dude, that's a high skill champ hero. That looks fun as shit.
Co-op time. Us against the world.
Ran the table.
That's cool that it's one character. That's two of them. That's sick. That looks like fun, dude. Wait, what? I'd play this character. Squirrel Girl, from my understanding, canonically one of the strongest people in the Marvel Universe for some bizarre reason.
Eat nuts and kick butts. Got him, Tippy! Hey, check out this big acorn!
This is probably one of the few characters that works in this game. Because, like, it's such a silly character.
Squirrel one for the squirrels! Ah, it's a squirrel nami! Huh, where do you think you're going? Squirrel stampede!
This character, would- you know, dying to this character is so tilting. She's so corny. Haha.
My power is a gift from Solal the Undying.
Is this like the Yasuo, the Genji of this world? Is this the character that's gonna? Is this the character that your teammates are gonna pick and be like, fucking pick something else, please? I know you suck. Mimsy, thank you for the 5 gifts. They always make it a weeb character. They always do.
Struck down by living cheek.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Dragon kick.
This is it. This is the character. This is the Lee Genshin G. Yeah.
Ball being so evil. Perfect hit. The dragon unleashed.
Dragon Unleashed. Oh yeah. Hanzo.
My fist is
I like how every game has its like Yasuo or its Lee Sin or its Genji or its Hanzo. Every game has it. You just have to have. You have to have one. That looks like fun though, dude. Wait, this game looks
He
like.
looks good. Nerf Genji because of this.
Okay, Wolverine. Well, let's see if he sounds sexy. Hold up. That's the only thing that's important about this character.
Let's race!
Yeah, they're coming.
Oh, he's male gazed. Boring. Boo. Boring.
I never miss.
Oh, this is the Hanzo.
I
Okay.
can't miss.
Hanzo at your service.
Too good at this.
Where's Scatter Arrow?
Please give me a challenge.
Look, he even has a wall climb.
This one. Ah, can't let the arrows do all the work. Here we are again. You holding up okay?
He has the Genji reflect. Hawkeye finally useful.
I never miss.
You say that right before you miss 20 shots.
Hawkeye's back. It's been a while.
Oh, dude, they female gazed him. They gave him a little ponytail. All right, okay, okay. Moon Knight. Let's see. I'll judge this game based on the blender porn that gets made. Good, good. That's a good, yeah.
I tear through the cloudless night, just like the moon.
Oh, look, it's Reaper.
The moon is out, and so are you.
Oh, wait, it's Reaper if he had to aim.
Keeping
No, stop, Denims. You can't do this. These are Marvel characters. They've been like this for years. No, everybody knows Marvel characters get changed every time there's a new fucking writer, okay? They've all had like 50 redesigns and their personality is different based on who's writing them. Everybody knows that, okay? This is the reason why I didn't get into comics. Can't uppercut the 11 months. Thank you.
The moon!
This is so uninspired. Honestly, I just miss Overwatch, so like, I miss her so much. Everything reminds me of her. I'm down. That looks like a...
My son.
Look, it's die. Look, it's the Reaper. Or what else we got? What else? What other characters did they launch? Strategist Adam Warlock. Okay, sexy Spider-Man. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Time to toughen up. How delicious. Satisfying, but we crave more.
Is that legal? Do Spider-Man? Whoa, dude. You're actually playing this. You are actually playing this, don't you? Look, I wasn't the only one whose brain was broken by Venom. Look, this chatter forgot to write how to write sentences. Calling Venom sexy is so funny. Yeah. Yeah, that's my least problematic wood.
Hi, neighbor.
That's my most boring wood.
Spider-Man over here. Look out, bad guys. Now I got you.
Is this just Lucio?
Round and pound.
This is just Lucio.
Crack the whip.
I like how none of the other characters we got to see any other skins, but this guy we got to see multiple skins.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man.
He
Hey,
fucking
sorry, team.
he fucking webbed on him. What the hell?
No bad guys left.
He was webbing on him. Is that legal to web on him? Seven months ago. Whoa. Damn, they've been working on it for a while. Cool. I mean, I guess most video games require a lot of time, but I didn't realize they announced any of this until like 2 days ago. Who the hell is Penis Parker? I think it said Penny Parker, not Penis
As
Parker.
expected. Slide that soul. Can't you keep up? A brief taste of hell.
This is, I would play this character. This reminds me of like Zen orbs.
A feast for my bones. I always return.
I always return. A synonym for return. Come. Penis Park. No.
Time for some fireworks.
New diva?
And that's how we do it in Tokyo. It's party time!
Dude, I love that her suits look like the Ava Neon Genesis suits. They look so Diva's suit looks so dumb. This looks so cool.
No coming back from that. Spider for the win.
This is pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, last one.
When things get tense, the dark child tends to come out.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
People are scared of you. You're nothing compared to what they've seen in Limbo.
Guys, is it actually just Overwatch?
Turret mode. Get in there.
Wait, it's actually just Overwatch. So dumb.
Looks like the mission area is yours.
Dude, this player sucks. Me and my bronze games.
I got the turret.
You're not my queen. Not ever.
Wasn't on the point at all. Classic DPS players.
Can't handle a deep. The mission area is yours.
Guys. Straight up, I was only listening to the stream and it sounded like Overwatch. Guys. I'm playing this. Wait, is it on PC? Guys, I'm playing this. Wait, missionary is yours. Wait, what? Wait, what? It unlocks on Steam in 5 hours? Because I have baking class today.
Remember the dust, the lights gripping tightly, trapping all those fighting souls. But yet, across the world, I see you standing in my way. And remember the time, the place we used to fight.
What is this anime ass opening?
Remember who you really are. Show me that you are still the only one for me. I'll be waiting for you.
Ruby ass music. Why does it sound like a Japanese song that got translated into English? I can't wait to get yelled at to switch off of the Genji character. How long do we think the servers will be up for? Listen, they're going to be up for 1 minute and then the servers are going to crash. And then we won't get to play. That's the truth, chat. That is the truth. That's the truth. Is it free to play? I don't know. I don't know, actually. Sorry. I can't wait for the remix of You Should Have Picked Mercy. Yes. Guys. Anti-Gamergate is back. Or sorry, Gamergate 2 is back. Anti-woke games are so back. Trump is back in office. Overwatch is back. Nature is healing. Nature Are you playing Fortnite Season 1? I was never really a Fortnite gamer. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Fortnite no build is fun and everything, but I was never really a Fortnite gamer. That or it's dying again. Ah, yes. Should have picked Mercy. Should have picked any kind of support.